Does your Windows take forever to shut down? You click shutdown and it just sits there, spinning, waiting, wasting your time. In this video, I'll show you the instant fix that makes Windows shut down in seconds. No software, no reinstall, and it works on Windows 11 and 10. But before we dive into the video, if you are stopping by for the first time, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Now let's get started. So to fix slow shutdown, we are going to tweak the registry. So please stick with me to the end so you don't miss any important steps, okay? So to get started, I'm going to use my virtual machine for demonstration. So let me bring my virtual machine, which I've launched already. And then the first tweak we are going to perform is to kill the applications that hang during the shutdown, okay? So to perform that task, we are going to click on the search. And then we right click on the registry editor. And then we run as administrator. So I'm going to click on the yes to allow these apps to make changes. So we are going to expand the H key current user, and then we expand control panel. So at the control panel, we are going to click on the desktop. So at the desktop, you are going to create 3 strings values, okay? So the first value you are going to create is auto end task. The second value is wait to kill app timeout. And the third value is hang app timeout, okay? So to perform that task, we are going to right click on an empty space at the right pane. And then I'll go to new and then string value, okay? So I'm going to name my value auto end task, okay? Then I'll create another string value by name wait to kill app timeout. So I'm going to right click on an empty space. Then I go to new string value. So I'm going to name it wait to kill app timeout, okay? Then the last string value we are going to create is hang app timeout. So I'm going to right click on an empty space. Then I go to new and then string value. So I'm going to name it hang app timeout, okay? So now we are going to edit the values by double clicking on that. So the first one I'm going to edit is the end auto end task. So I'm going to double click on that. Then I'll change the value data to 1, okay? Then I'll click on OK. Then the second one I'm going to edit is the wait to kill app timeout. So I'm going to double click on that. Then I'll change the value data to 2000. Then I'll click on OK. And then the last one we are going to edit is hang app timeout. So I'm going to double click on that. Then I'll change the value to 1000. Then I'll click on OK. Okay, so this alone fixes about 90% of your slow shutdown, okay, and it's the biggest fix, okay. So the next trick we are going to perform is to speed up the system services shutdown, okay, to speed up the system services shutdown. So to perform that task, let me close this. We are going to expand the H key local machine, and then we expand system. So at the system, we are going to expand current control set. So at the current control set, we are going to click on control. So at the control, we are going to edit the wait to kill services timeout, okay? We are going to change the value. So the default value is 5000. So we are going to change the default value from 5000 to 2000. So to do that, I'm going to double click on that. Then I'll change the value from 5000 to 2000. Then I'll click on OK. So for the changes to take effect, you have to restart your system or you restart Windows Explorer for the changes to take effect, okay? So this is a quick tutorial on how to fix your slow Windows shutdown when you are encountering such a challenge. So this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.